guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do for you a quick DIY. Now this is going to be a wall art / candle holder. So what you will need for this DIY is the hoops. And you can haul those from Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, any arts and crafts store. You will need 4 medium-sized ones. Now, you can use any size you prefer. This is your project. You can choose whatever size. I'm believing that this is a medium size. They come in various sizes. You will need 4 of them, and you will need 3 of the small hoops. Now, this is as small as they come. I have not seen them any smaller. So I'm going to go with the small ones, and I believe these are the medium-sized ones. You will need the Dollar Tree Tower blocks. These are the tumbling block games. You will need 1 box of those. You will need some form of decorative. I want to go with the mirror versus flowers. You can choose if you want to do flowers or you want to do the mirror, just as I'm doing. This wall mirror comes from, I got this from Walmart, and I want to say it was $4.97 or $4.95. You will definitely need your glue gun, glue sticks, spray paint. Start gluing my hoops in place. So at this point, I would say whatever shape you want to go with, it is your choice. You can start to form your hoops. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them all together. It will look just like this. Let's see if I can show you. They're all glued on. And so what I want to do now is begin to work on my holder. So I'm going to take the blocks and I'm going to lay a generous amount of glue. Now, if this is permanent and if you are going to give this as a gift, you can use the wood glue or E6000. Go ahead and press. And I believe I'm going to need 3 of them. Lay your glue down. And press. If you get some glue oozing out, just use your nail and remove it. And it will look just like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to the others. I've glued my blocks together. I glued them, stacked them together. Lay some glue down, generous amount. Stack them. Make sure they're even. And so it will look just like that. Then I'm going to take my block and place it on top. Just like I'm doing right now. Your decor is down flat before you add the top on. Put a generous amount of glue, because once it lays against the wall, you want to make sure you've got plenty of space for it to be flushed against the wall. You don't want for it to be hindering it from hanging. What it looks like after it's been painted, I went ahead and painted brown. And that's because I have this brown rope, and I hauled this from Hobby Lobby for 99 cents. So I want to use it as a tool for hanging. So I'm assuming I'm going to go from this side, from one angle to another. So I'm going to attach these ahead and add the rope, and also added a bow. So when I hang it on the wall, it would look decorative. So now I want to start to decorate with my mirror. And I believe I'm going to work with the larger mirrors. Now these mirrors are very thin, so guys, you have to be very careful with them because they're very thin. Okay, when you find where you want to place your mirror, then just go ahead and glue it in place. So I think I'm happy with this. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my mirror on now. Now these mirrors have adhesive on them, but just to secure it, I'm going to add more glue. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely love it. I think it looks wonderful. Now I must say that I would have wished I had instead of adding 2 onto the stand, I wish I added 3. That way it would be away from the wall more. So if you are recreating this wall decor candle holder, I would suggest add 1/3 of the little blocks to make it stick out further from the wall. Other than that, I love the way that this look. I hope you do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your comments. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, if this is a gift or this is something you would recreate for your home. It is functional, quick and easy, and beautiful. Thank you guys. I will see you on my next DIY.